Okay, so I had a situation a little while ago where I rented a holiday home and the TV was a smart TV. It had Netflix on it. So I thought to myself, nobody had signed into it. I thought while I'm here, why not sign into it and watch my own Netflix? So done that, watched all I needed to. On the day of departure, I thought, yeah, probably a good idea to sign out of Netflix so that no one else can be using my account, or I can't be accused of account sharing. So anyway, that's where the problem started. Don't forget to like this video, share it and subscribe to my channel. Doing these 3 things help us make more great videos for you. I couldn't find out how to sign out of Netflix. I can't believe how difficult Netflix had made it to find the sign out button. So first of all, I went across and I went down to exit Netflix. Thought to myself, that should do it. So exit out of Netflix and then went back into it again and found I was still signed in. So how do you exit out of Netflix? Now I should say that obviously if you do sign in to Netflix on anybody else's TV, then do make sure that once you've finished with it, then make sure that you log out, because you could be accused of password sharing if you leave yourself logged in and somebody else uses it. And also you could end up with recommendations for programs that quite frankly don't interest you, where other people have been using it. It's just not worth it from the sheer fact that Netflix could accuse you of account sharing unintentionally and end up cancelling your account. So enough waffle. Let's go across to the icon in the top left-hand corner of the screen and we go down to get help. So highlight get help, middle button, and then what you want to do is you want to go down to sign out. Just sign out right at the bottom there. Highlight that, middle button on the remote control, and then it says, are you sure you want to sign out? Go across to yes, middle button on the remote control, and that should sign you out of Netflix. And just to make sure, what I would always say is once you've done this, come out of Netflix, okay, and then go back into it. And just make sure you're back at this screen here. And for good measure, I would say go across to sign in and just press the middle button on the remote and just make sure that you're back to this sign in screen. And that will confirm that you are definitely signed out. No one else is going to be using your Netflix account on that particular device. Okay, but what if you've left the property where you were staying at or where you'd signed into Netflix and you'd forgotten to sign out and you can't get back to sign out? Well, thankfully, you can sign out remotely. So I'm also going to show you how you can do that. So what you need to do is just go to a web browser and sign in to Netflix. Go to netflix.com, sign in. And as you can see in this example here, in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, I've got the device I'm currently signed into. And the bigger screen, I have got my browser, my Google Chrome browser, and I've signed in at netflix.com. So just go up to your little profile icon at the top right hand corner of the screen and left click once on it, and then go down and click on account. Then under quick links, click on manage access and devices. Now, if you can't see manage access and devices underneath quick links, then click on devices just over on the left. Then click access and devices. Then find in this list the device that you were signed in on at the place that you want to sign out. So you can tell when you signed in because it's basically got the date and time that you last signed in to each device. So find that, click on sign out just to the right of its name, and there you go, it says the device has now signed out. And what you'll notice is if we try and play anything on here, we will get a message saying we're having trouble playing this title at the moment, please try again later. And it won't let them play anything. And then after a few hours, it will completely sign you out of Netflix on that device. box, and they will simply go back to this sign-in screen. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, consider hitting that thanks button and making a donation to this channel. Or if you can't do that, then have a look in the description down below. We've got some great links down there for you to various things, including my Amazon shop, which contains all the things I love at the moment on Amazon: Fire TV sticks, Fire TV cubes, and VPNs. Buying, subscribing and donating really does help support this channel. It helps me to be able to dedicate more time to spend researching to bring you these great videos. And whilst you're at my YouTube channel, why not stick around? I've got thousands of other videos for you right here, right now, covering all sorts of subjects. Hopefully whilst you're here, you're going to find something to educate you, entertain you, amuse you, and maybe even save you some time and money. And if you do see any videos that you think your friends, your family or your work colleagues might like to see, then please don't forget to share these videos on your social media timelines. You can check me out on X. I'm at CWTEK. You can also check out my website. It's cwtek.co.uk. Thanks for watching, and speak to you again soon.